Today, I want to introduce you to a Mandarin speaking practice app called Speak Mandarin. It is designed for learners who want to improve their Chinese in a simple and practical way. When you open the app, the first thing you do is tap the Speak Mandarin logo. After that, you will see the main screen, which displays a variety of lesson topics. From there, you can choose any topic that interests you. Once you select a topic, the app will show you a list of lessons related to that topic. You can then choose one lesson from the list to begin learning. After opening the lesson, you will find a clear and well-organized structure that includes the core vocabulary, dialogue vocabulary, and grammar sections. To start learning, you can tap on the Core Vocabulary tab to study the key words and example sentences.
爸爸 father, dad. 这是我的爸爸 This is my dad. 你的爸爸在家吗 Is your dad at home? 我爸爸今天不在家 My dad is not at home today.
Next, you can move to the Dialogue tab to listen to the conversation between Speaker A and Speaker B.
这是我的家人 This is my family. 你的家人真多 You have a big family. 对，这是我的爸爸 Yes, this is my dad. 你爸爸是做什么的 What does your dad do? 他是老师 He is a teacher. 这是你的妈妈吗 Is this your mom? 对，她是我的妈妈 Yes, she is my mom. 你有哥哥吗 Do you have an older brother? 有，我有一个哥哥，还有一个妹妹 Yes, I have one older brother and one younger sister. 你的家人都很可爱 Your family is all very lovely.
Then, you can open the Dialogue Vocabulary tab to learn the new words used in the conversation and expand your vocabulary.
家人 family members or family. 多 many or a lot. 做什么 what to do or what someone does. 老师 teacher.
After that, you can go to the Grammar tab to understand the sentence patterns and how they are used in real conversation. This makes it much easier to learn Chinese step by step.
这是我的爸爸 This is my dad. 这是我的妈妈 This is my mom. 我有一个哥哥 I have an older brother.
If you want to review what you have learned, you can tap on Quiz and complete the multiple choice questions. This is a great way to memorize new words and check your understanding.
姐姐妹妹哥哥妈妈爸爸
For pronunciation practice, you can go back to the main screen, tap the microphone, and try speaking aloud. Then tap the speaker icon to compare your pronunciation and see whether you said it correctly.
你好，你好，
Speak Mandarin is a free internal app created exclusively for viewers who follow the Speak Mandarin Now YouTube channel. If you are interested, please send me an email using the address in the description and include the phrase Speak Mandarin app in the subject or message, and I will send it to you.